going to show you guys how to transfer your photos library to an external drive. First thing you want to do, open Photos, right? Once it's open, go up here, Preferences. Just make sure it's in that right location. So for me here, it is under Username, Pictures, and that's the photo library. So Show in Finder, right? So it's right there. Now go back here and just close out My Photos, and you have this here. Just take it and drag it to whichever drive you want it on. I want it here, so I'm just gonna drag it over there. It's gonna take some time. It's a 516 gig file, so it'll probably take some time. It's done. Go to the location where the photo library was copied to. Double click it. Should open right up. Now what you want to do to make it your default, go up here to Photos, Preferences, and use a System Photo Library. This will make it active for iCloud and everything. So use and turn on iCloud. Okay. Might take some time since it's such a big folder. Okay. And then if you do want the iCloud stuff on, just go over here and click this, and that's it.